Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. My name is Clinton and I'm your host for today. I already posted the squad that will be traveling to face Great Olympics in the March week 20 of the Ghana Premier League. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link here for you guys to go see it. So in this video, I'll be giving you how I think Kotoko should line up against Great Olympics, because Great Olympics are a team that they like crowding the midfield to stop you from creating chances, and they are always running. Like, they are very good with the counter attack. They sit back and make sure they stop you from spreading the ball, and when they get the ball they hit you on the counter attack. They have very good players that can spot runners, and they also have fast players, and Abdul Ganiyu and Yusuf Mubarak will be very careful not to make any mistakes at the back against Great Olympics, because they are very fast, they are very quick, and the midfielders can spot runners. It is very important that we keep our head focused, and keep the entire team should be focused when we play Great Olympics tomorrow at the Accra Sports Stadium. So I'll be giving you my first lineup. This is the first lineup. Now the back line remains the same: Amoro, Ganiyu, Mubarak, and Emmanuel Frimpong with Abalora in post. Then the midfield is very important, because as I said earlier, Great Olympics, they like crowding the midfield, and Habib Mohamed will be very busy in that particular game. So Mudasiru and Habib Mohamed will be the ones to work very hard in the midfield to create chances from the back and to help the attackers and create the line between the defense and the attack. Then the wings, we have Isiama. Godfrey Isiama scored in the last game. I'm happy that he's getting the momentum back at the squad, and I'm hoping that he turns up against Great Olympics. Then we have Emmanuel Jimfi. Even if his performance has not been enough, been good enough, but he has experience in this kind of games, in these crucial games. He knows what is expected, considering the fact that he's our captain. So I'm expecting him to start at the wings. That's if Mariano Barreto thinks he's good enough to start at the wings. Then number 10 position, that is the position everybody has been talking about, because as Fabio Gama role, and Fabio Gama has been suspended because of accumulated yellow cards, 3 yellow cards. I'm thinking that Augustine Okra should play that number 10 role. Yes, I think Augustine Okra should play that number 10 role, because he's not a stranger in that role. He knows how to play in that role. He knows what is expected of him in that role. He knows that you have to create chances, make intelligent runs, and confuse the defense, and also link up with Andy Kumi in the striking position. So I'm thinking that Augustine Okra will be the perfect person to play in that particular role. I don't know about Mariano Barreto. He might use another midfielder, but I think Augustine Okra is the best choice to replace Fabio Gama in that role. This is my first way I think Kotoko should line up. Let's go to the second one. The second one is a 4-4-2 formation that has 2 strikers. Yes, we know that Michael Vinicius is not fit 100%, but it could be crucial that we try him with Andy Kumi up front, him for the height, and Andy Kumi for the foot, like to score with the leg, and Vinicius with the height. If we play Andy Kumi and Vinicius up front as 2 strikers, it means that Vinicius will be staying up front while Andy Kumi will be dropping back a little bit, and there will be crosses into the box because of the aerial prowess of Vinicius, Michael Vinicius in that particular team. Isiama and Jimfi will be at the wings. In the 4-4-2, like the 4 midfielders, we have Habib Mohamed and Mudasiru in the center. Then we have Emmanuel Jimfi and Godfrey Isiama at the wings, which means that Godfrey Isiama and Emmanuel Jimfi will be helping the defense, that's the left back and the right back, and also creating chances for the 2 strikers up front. It's going to be very crucial, because I think if we crowd the midfield with the same way Great Olympics will be planning to crowd the midfield tomorrow, I think we can at least make something happen in that midfield and create chances. And I think it's going to be a crucial game, and I hope the players put out good performance against Great Olympics tomorrow, because I know it's going to be a very tight and thrilling encounter. So if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification. My name is Clinton. I think that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.